Going on there, guys? Gels back here. Gels, or simply just basic coding or gels. Got some more YouTube tutorials here in Java. So we're going to talk about the constructor. So I hope na napanood yun yung my tutorial, yung sa classes, then yung ang tawag pa doon, yung getters and setters. So I hope na napanood niyo yun. And etong constructor na to kasi, na-mention ko na to doon. So madali lang naman to. Again, I hope na you have the basic understanding in functions in Java. So, kasi, parang, yun ang sinasabi ko, related naman lang naman sila. So, it's a good advantage na once na alam niyo ang tungkol sa Java. So, ganun. So, let's do this. So, a constructor in Java is a block of code similar to a method that's called when an instance of an object is of an object is created. So, again, from the word itself na nako-call agad siya once na nag-create tayo ng instance ng object. So, it's like a special method, kumbaga. So, it means na, for example, nag-make tayo ng special, an instance of an object ng dog, then nako-call yung function na constructor na yung constructor pala. So, here, the key difference between a constructor and a method, a constructor doesn't have a return type, walang return type. So unlike methods, constructors are not considered members of the class. So anong ibig sabihin noon? Ang ibig sabihin noon na members of the class is that yun na, I think I forgot to say about it, na members of the class. The members of the class basically yung attributes at saka yung methods or simply the functions or the methods. Yun lang naman, wala naman na special thing. So yun ang nakalimutan ko about doon sa member thing. So, para maiba naman, let's create a new class. So, hindi na tayo gagawa ng package. And by the way, na kalimutan kong sabihin sa inyo na if you make a Java class here, right-click lang ganun sa package ng constructor. For example lang, anong class? Ano kayang class, guys? So, parang gano'n lang natin na cat. Cat naman. Or, okay, cat. So, if you made your Java class with the same package, hindi na natin kailangan i-import tulad ng /tutorial. Excuse me, /tutorial. Hindi na natin kailangan i-import. So, as I've said, ito yung class natin. Yung ganyan. So, dito tayo mag-create ng instance ng object sa main method natin. So, again, dito natin lalagay yung attributes. I'm expecting na alam niyo na yan. Then, dito natin lalagay sa baba rin yung methods. Then, generate na lang tayo ng getter and setter using the feature of this IDE. So, for example, anong meron sa cat? Yun lang isipin nyo kung maglalagay ko ng attributes. For example, string or, again, private. It's a good idea. Discuss ko na yan. Nasa previous tutorials, about this. So, I hope na pinanood nyo yun from creating our own class up to this point. So, private, for example, string, name, ganyan. So, let's just, private, string, color. So, parang, isipin nyo lang guys, if you're making attributes, ano bang mayroon sa isang cat na pag-create ng instance, parang kailangan ilagay. Siyempre, for example, name, color ng pusa. For example, private, age, integer age, ganyan, private, ano pa, ganyan, tama na yan. So, okay na yan, hindi naman kailangan talagang kumpletuhin. So, yung methods, so, mamaya na yan yung methods. So, ganito, this is where we usually put our constructor. Again, it's like a special method. So, you can, tandaan nyo, constructor is like a function like that. Syntax is like this. Then, ganyan. So, yung what do you call this? The name of your constructor or basically, the constructor, kailangan same siya sa name ng class niyo. Pag iniba niyo yan, for example, K, ganyan. So, parang hindi niya, cannot find symbol or invalid method declaration kasi, it has to be, kailangan same dito sa name ng class. So, pwede nyo naman lagyan ng public. Ganyan, public cat, wala namang masama. Kung lagyan mo wala, nasa sa inyo yan. So, ganyan. So, ano nga ba ang purpose ng constructor in sa pagkakaintindi ko, yun na nga, it is being called once we've declared an instance of an object. Pero, in my additional part, once na sa experience ko in developing projects sa school, useful yung constructors when, for example, we are we are creating an instance of an object, then lalagay na agad ng input baga para dito sa mga attributes. So makita niyo yung what I mean by that. So parang kumbaga parang it serves as a setter kumbaga, pero don't think like that, it serves lang. So again, di ba, for example ganito, so here in our dito tayo mag-create ng instance. So cat, for example cat, my cat, our reference variable is equal to new cat, ganyan. So, wala siyang error kasi nasa same package lang naman siya, hindi na natin kailangan i-import. So, eto guys, paano kung, yun na nga, iniisip nyo, paano kung maglagay tayo dito ng parameter? Yun. That is the purpose, one of the purpose of constructors. The constructor. So, parang special method nga. So, for example, ilagay tayo dito ng for example, itong string name. For example, ilagay tayo ng string underscore name, comma, parang it works. I hope talagang alam niyo ng function. So, I'm assuming, and string color, then integer age. Ganyan. So, ano mangyari dito? So kumbaga, once gumawa tayo ng instance ng object ng cat, for example, naglagay tayo dito ng, for example, anong name ng cat natin, for example, Miming, color niya is, for example, orange. May bang orange na cat. Age ng cat natin is, for example, 4 years old. Ay, hindi, mali. Ganun pala. So, 4 years old. So, basically, ang mangyari lang naman dito is parang functions nga. The value of string underscore name will be Miming, and the value of string color will be orange, and integer age will be 4. So, parang functions nga and that thing. So, kumbaga, pasa-pasa lang ng values. So, kung alam niyo talagang constructor guys, hindi na kayo mahirapan dito. Promise. So, really, kumbaga, inaano ko, I'm expecting, kumbaga, hindi mo expecting, kumbaga, inaasahan ko rin talaga, sana alam niyo. So, yun, parang pasa-pasa lang ng values. So, hindi mo na kailangan ganito, for example, wala to, imagine yung wala to, hindi na kayo kailangan my cat, set, for example, set age, hindi na kayo kailangan ganyan. Diretso na agad dito sa constructor or dito sa pag-create ng instance ng object. So, malalagyan na agad yung kumbaga, another way of pinapadali ang buhay. So, gano'n. So, this dot, again, use this keyword, this dot name is equal to underscore name. Ganyan. So, this dot color is equal to, lagyan natin ito ng underscore guys, para at least, mas maganda kasi yan, hindi nagkakapare-pareho ang variable, para at least hindi nakakalito. So, age is equal to age. So, basically, in this line of code, again, di ba nag-enter tayo dito ng Miming, then orange, then 4. So, basically, the attributes we have here on top, the attributes we have here on top is kinukuha nila yung value na pinasa natin dito. Diba? So, ganun lang naman. So, in that case, gawa na tayo ng methods. So, the methods. So, basically, the methods. For example, public void. Mga tatlo lang or public void, say meow. Ganyan. Parang, you can make it. So, depende naman kasi yan sa sa classes nyo kung ano talaga. So, let's just have a system that print line. Pero ang point ko lang dito is, guys, at least maintindihan nyo yung our topic for the day, which is the constructor, for kung ano siya, for para saan ba, kung paano siya magiging useful. Public void, say meow, meow, meow. So, public void, say hello, human. So, human. So, system dot print line, hello woman. So let's just getters and setters, setters. So let's again right click, then insert code, getter and setter. Then just click here kung ano yung gusto nyo. So basically, if gusto mong lahat, just click the ano ba yun? So just click here, ganyan. So so generate, then meron na yan. So just in case na if you want, for example, just in case that if you created an instance of an object of type cat, tapos somewhere part of the code or somewhere there, gusto niyo palitan yung name, for example ganito. Okay, so tapos na pala tayo dito, wait lang. Tapos na tayo dito. So basically ito lang naman ang the constructor. So basic explanation. So for example here, so as I've said, ito na. Nag-create tayo ng instance ng object ng type cat. Pinangalanan natin ng naming. So, the value of our string underscore name here will be naming. Then, this dot name, which is referring to this, ang magiging value na is underscore name, which is yung eto, which is yung naming. So, same goes with here and here. And kung tatanong kayo, pwede pa dagdagan yan? Yes, pwede. For example, so dito kayo pala magdadagdag. So, for example, meron kayo, depende kung ano sa attributes nyo. For example, string gender, ganyan. So, of course, you have to put some dito. So, para malagay nyo dito yung value. Parang ganito lang. So, so parang ganoon. So, system.out.println, print natin yung name ni Miming. For example, name of cat is, then plus, then just ang tawag dito, concatenation. So, we call my cat dot get name. Ganyan. So, basically, in this function, again, explain ko, at asan yon get name. So, eto, so basically, it returns the value of name, which is yung sinet natin kanina dito sa constructor natin, which is miming. So, ganun lang naman kasimple. So, ganyan. So, pag print natin to, the name of cat is miming. Kung ayaw maniwala, palitan natin ng, for example, ano ba yung name? Sponge. Sponge. The fuck? So, the name of the cat is Sponge. So, what if kung bigla pwede nyo bang yung palitan? Yes, of course. So, again, depende sa flow ng program nyo. Again, yung flow ng program is simula sa taas hanggang pababa. So, I'm assuming alam niyo yan. So, for example, using our reference variable, gusto natin palitan yung pangalan. Let's set it to another name. For example, the name is, ito pala. For example, the name, set it to another name, for example, Harry Baby. Parang narinig ko lang yan sa Big Hero 6. Then, i-print natin yung name, kung nabago ba. So, print then, name of cat is, so again, using the the getter, that get name. So, one file. Then, di ba, name of cat, yung una is Sponge. Bakit Sponge? Kasi dito sa constructor, then print natin dito using the our getter, then pinalitan natin. So, kung kunwari lang gusto natin palitan ng hairy baby, then system.out.println using the getter ulit. So, alam niyo na kasi, I'm expecting na alam niyo na yung kung paano to nag-work, yung setter and getter and setter. If you don't know how, so I recommend you watch my video tutorial before this. So, ganon. So, yung sineset lang. So, konting explanation if you want. So, setter, yung set name natin. Asan yun? Yung set name. Naglagay tayo dito ng hairy baby. So, this dot name, which is referring to our attribute here, ang magiging value niya is name, which is yung linagay natin dito, which is na hairy baby. So, ganun lang naman. So, then, print natin system.out using our getter. So, again, the getter just basically returns um, returns the value of the attribute dito. For example, ito, di ba, meron tong value miming kanina or sponge, then yung value nun is kumbaga rin-return sa function. So, parang isipin nyo na lang na yung function merong value na which is yung galing sa attribute natin sa taas. So, ganun lang naman guys. Ganun lang naman. So, thank you for watching this video tutorial. So, pag may tanong lang kayo, I hope pag may tanong lang kayo, just comment down below. And I hope talagang naintindihan niyo yung pinagsasabi ko. So, thank you guys. Thanks!